Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your broker to MetaTrader 5 in just a few simple steps. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have downloaded and installed the latest version of the MetaTrader 5 app. Once installed, open the app to get started. Access the account management section. On the main screen, look at the upper left corner. You will see three horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open the menu. From the menu, select the Accounts button to go to the Account section. In the top right corner of the Account section, you will see a plus icon. Click on it. A search bar will appear. Type the name of your broker such as Xnest. As you type, relevant options will appear. Once you locate your broker in the list, click on it. Enter your account credentials. You will be prompted to enter your account credentials. Fill in the required details such as login ID and password. After entering your credentials, click Login. Your broker is now successfully connected to your MetaTrader 5 app. You're all set to start trading. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.